Would you like to move your wall frame assemblies faster, safer, and with less effort? The Spida Major Subcomponent Infeed is your answer. Built to transport and store pre-made lumber assemblies with ease. Often paired with the Spida Major Sub-Assembly table, conveyors move assemblies from the table to the infeed. Pop-up pins keep them separated, and when you're ready, powered pop-up rollers transfer them straight to the extruder operator, reducing manual handling and keeping production flowing. And with folding rollers for easy loading and a clear space when not in use, the Major Subcomponent Infeed is as smart as it is practical. Your operators will appreciate how simple and flexible it is, delivering assemblies to the extruder operator exactly when needed. The Spida Major Subcomponent Infeed is safe, efficient, and does the heavy lifting for you, so your wall frame line never misses a beat.